how clean this truck is. Look at that. It's an awesome truck. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. We are working on a Chevy today. Customer states there's a noise when she steps on the brakes. And if the traffic will cooperate for 5 freaking seconds. It doesn't sound good. I think I'm going to have to take the caliper off. See what's going on. Hopefully I can get it off. I don't know if she picked up a rock. All this pitting in here is kind of weird too. It's like the metal just exploded. But we'll pull the caliper off and see what happens. I think I've got the right wrench. Working in the shade today, slightly. We're gonna need more ugga-duggas than that. Somebody put those on there. Hey, there's no springs. I just noticed there's no spring. Huh. Torsion bars. Uh-oh, I found some rust. That's not good. I think this is the only rust on this thing. Anyway, squirrel. Brakes are doing. 4,000 years later. I don't know if that. Oh, no, it's still coming out. Just for everybody wondering, I don't have a jack stand. I have a tire. Hopefully, the jack doesn't let go. But if it does, it should. I don't know. Maybe it'll save me. But I ain't going under it. Oh. Found the problem. Yeah. Those toast. And I can feel it. I can't see it. You're seeing this before I do. But I can feel it. What do you think of that, folks? I gotta go make a phone call. See if I can get some pads. We got new pads, and I got some grease. Vermitex synthetic lube for brake stuff. Okay, so the brakes came with, I don't even know what all this stuff is. Holy, O-rings galore in there. Look at all that stuff. These must be the boots for the slides that clearly weren't working. I only had one clamp left. No idea where the rest of them went. Okay, I'm gonna guess that that's far enough. Look at that. Holy moly, woman. See that? Kinda looks the same. Gee, I wonder why your brakes were making noise. Man, she's 20 thousandths into the metal. Alright, so let's stick this in. There's a rivet on the back. There we go. So this is supposed to slide. I gotta clean these up. These are supposed to slide. That bolt is supposed to slide and slide. Yeah, now you can see it. It's supposed to slide like that. I'm guessing I just put the lube in here. I was going to take it apart and clean it up, but it doesn't come off. So we're gonna lube this bad boy up because I didn't want to come home and find it on the ground. Can't imagine you're supposed to put it on the threads. I don't know. I don't usually use this stuff. Usually they come apart. Maybe the other one will. Maybe this one's just stuck. I don't know, but it's a firm. It's like that dimple right there is not letting it go past. And maybe we can just drag it in there. Clearly it was not doing its job. Okay, I think that's good. She was right, it was making a little bit of noise. And grabbing hard. Okay. What do we got going on here? Stuck as well. I don't know, it was stuck. Do the same thing, I guess. I don't know if I'm doing right or wrong here. This is the stuff they told me to put on it. The parts place, I assume they know what they're doing. Napa. If Napa wants to sponsor a video like this, they can get in touch with me. I'm interested. That might help. Alright, what's holding me up now? For crying out loud, you came off. Oh, there we go. I have no idea what I did. Must have done something that went in. Well, that's one side. Wow. Now we can go do the other side. Yay, we get to do the other side too. Yeah, see, I did put a jack stand in there. I'd be crazy, but I'm not stupid. Okay. Let's see if I can get this tire back on. Probably not. Where it's going.